Hey, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. We are up to Heat 2 for Round 2 at Cameron Park, Newcastle Kart Racing Club. We're gridded 3rd for Heat 2, which I was a little surprised at, and hey, I will take it, because gridded 5th was a bit of a struggle to push for the first few laps to get up to where I was meant to be, which was ideally 3rd. So it was good that I was gridded off 3rd for Heat 2. Not going to complain. Had a beautiful start. Absolutely loved my start. Unfortunately, I did mess up 48 because my front bumper got caught into his rear bumper, so it kind of messed us up a little bit for the first corner. That actually happened a few times on this race weekend. My front bumper did get caught in a few people's rear bumpers. But yeah, no, I was very happy with starting off 3rd. First place, he kind of gapped us a little bit. Me and 2nd were battling, and he kind of just had free air, no one to cause any trouble with him. So it was literally just me and 2nd battling throughout this whole race. He would pull away in some spots, and then I'd gain him in some spots. Just unfortunately, I wasn't quick enough in the spots that I needed to pass him in, like to be right on his rear bumper. But it was a great little race. I was happy with it. Definitely watch it all. Definitely like, subscribe, and definitely share the videos around so other people can definitely watch them as well. Definitely. All right, enjoy.